My kids are going to be home from school soon, and I know they're going to need help with their homework. But the only problem is there's only one mom and 3 kids that are going to need help with their homework. Moms know best, right? Well, let me give you some motherly advice. Get an Alexa device to help your kids with their schoolwork. Let me show you a few things that Alexa does for our family. Alexa makes learning convenient and has a world of answers for all of our questions, especially when I don't know the answers. And with Amazon Kids enabled, I know Alexa will give kid-friendly responses every time. Just ask.
Alexa, what is the biggest mammal?
The biggest mammal in the world is the blue whale, which can reach a massive 30 meters in length.
Whoa!
Alexa helps improve my kids' math skills. Porter's math skills have improved so much by using Amazon Math.
Alexa, start this addition with Amazon Math.
I'll ask you 5 addition questions. What is 0 plus 8?
8.
That's correct.
Alexa can also remind us of upcoming dates for projects.
Alexa, set a reminder that my science project is due next week, Tuesday, 4 p.m.
Okay, I'll create a reminder Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Reading Sidekick is one of my favorite Alexa features. It helps my kids grow into confident readers as they take turns reading with the Alexa device. Reading Sidekick is available with our Amazon Kids Plus subscription, which gives us access to thousands of hours of premium kid-friendly content.
Alexa, read with me.
Which book did you pick this time?
Books do not have wings. Books do not have engines or trampoline springs.
These are just a few features that make Alexa a great homework helper. To learn more about Alexa for Kids, go ahead and visit the link down in the description below.